Do you want to know how devices are monitored? Worried about hidden threats lurking in your smart home? Unlock pro tips to monitor and protect. Check the description for a mail to our device security checklist. Alright, today I'm breaking down device monitoring mastery for 2025. Think everyday phones, tablets, laptops, always online, always syncing, and yes, prime targets. If it connects, it can be probed. The goal: visibility without violating privacy, so you can catch weird behavior fast and lock things down. Segment 1. Basics. Monitoring is just awareness. Who's accessing, what's running, and where data is flowing. It's not about snooping, it's about safety. Your gadgets talk nonstop. Notifications, cloud backups, Bluetooth handshakes, Wi-Fi pings. Threats love that chatter. Malware, rogue apps, sketchy networks. Segment 2. Tools and techniques. Built-ins. Find My Device. Find My iPhone, iPad, Mac. Google, Find My Device. Windows, Find My. Use location, lock, and wipe. Parental controls. Apple Screen Time. Google Family Link. Microsoft Family Safety. Security suites. Reputable mobile security apps for malware scans, web protection, breach alerts. Network analyzers. Your router app. DNS filtering, audit aids, permission managers, app privacy reports, and system logs to spot overreaching apps. Segment 3. Step-by-step setup highlights. Remote finding and locks. Sign into your device ecosystem account. Enable Find My by Find My Device, and turn on location and send last location. Test a remote ring and a lock command so you know it works. Cloud-based activity insights. On iOS, check App Privacy Report, Screen Time. On Android, review Privacy Dashboard and Digital Well-being. Turn on breach alerts in your account security settings so you're notified if passwords leak. Parental oversight with consent. Create a family group, add child or manage profiles, set app install approval, content ratings, and downtime. Keep it transparent. Talk about what's monitored and why. Unusual data surge at 2 a.m.? Your router flags a tablet pushing gigs. You pause that device, run a malware scan, and check recent installs. The culprit? A shady flashlight clone. Gone. Random pop-ups and battery drain. Privacy dashboard shows constant location pings from a coupon app. You revoke location, force stop, and uninstall. Drain fixed. Lost phone in a rideshare? You trigger a remote ring. See the map dot moving. Lock it with a message and callback number. The driver calls. You get it back. Segment 5. Ethics. Law. Hardening. Get consent. If it's not your device, don't monitor it. Employer or parent. Use approved tools. Disclose clearly and follow the law. Update OS and apps. Enable automatic updates. Use strong, unique passwords and a password manager. Turn on multi-factor authentication everywhere. Biometrics, auto-lock timers. Back up regularly so you can wipe without fear. Install only from official stores. Be skeptical of sideloads. Quick recap: know your tools, test your alerts, review permissions, and communicate boundaries. Monitoring should protect, not pry. Take control of your relationship. Send a mail to the address in the description and satisfy your curiosity. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more device defense strategies.